and welcome back. So now that you have shared your document with users or collaborators, you would also like to track the changes that they have made in this document. So for this, Google Docs provides a functionality of viewing the version history. So in version history, all you can see are the changes that have been made to this particular document at a particular timeline and duration. So to access version history, all you need to do is go on and click here, which says that the last edit was made so and so minutes ago. So once you click on this, it shows you the version history. To also access version history, you can click on the Files tab here in the menu and go to version history and see version history here. There is also a keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus H. Okay, so I click on version history. So what all changes have been made in this particular document have been listed here in the form of a timeline. So let's see what all changes have been here. So the latest or the current version was today at 8:13 p.m. So let's see what all edits have been here in this document. So I can see that there are total of 7 edits. If I like to see what all edits have been made and the latest one here, I can see that in the previous video I had entered the statement of objectives of Google Docs. So here you can also see there are certain labels which are given. So the purple color shows that this particular user had made the change, and this blue color shows that this another user had made the change. So here you can see that this statement is in purple color, which says that this particular person has made the change. Also, if you want to see the other history of this particular document, you can simply click on this second timeline and you can go down and see that this statement was added here by this person at 2:26 p.m. Here also, if you go down below, you can see that another edit was made at 1:09 p.m. on 11 September. If you see what is the edit, you can go on to the edit arrow, or you can go to the edit arrow and see that these statements were added here when I was explaining to you how to type in any language. So these are all the edits that you can track for this particular document. Also, if you can see, you can also restore a particular version. So let's say if I am the owner or I am a user of a particular document and I do not approve of a certain change. So I click on this restore button and all you can see is the version that was previously available at so and so time. So I am not interested in restoring my version. I want to keep my current version intact only, which has all the features, the documents, features, objectives, everything in this particular documentation. Also, if you can see these 3 dots, these are nothing but more actions. So you can also name this version or you can make a copy of this version. So I hope the concept of version history is clear to you. So version history, in short, if I have to explain again in a gist, version history is available only in case of Google Docs or Google Slides, etc. Whatever products of Google are available. And why is it imperative to study version history? Because since you are sharing your documentation online with multiple users or collaborators, so it becomes a necessity kind of to understand what all changes have been made by multiple people so that you can know what all modifications have been done. So this is why the concept of version history is so important and why it is of so much of use to online users or collaborators. So this was it for in this video. In the next video, we will discuss the concept of assigning tasks through comment option. Thank you.